Nice chopping block now. For lemons and bagung. Okay, now for this one. Okay, so that's the warm up. Now for the fun stuff. Right here. This would be a perfect chopping block. I really just want to show you what the potential is for wood. You can chop off of it. Now, sugar maple is one of those types of woods you want to use because it's an antibacterial type of a wood. Don't just pick any wood like that hawthorn over there that's got a bunch of junk on it. You want to pick a decent wood that's food grade safe. And this happens to be a decent wood from what I've been reading when I Google that stuff. Now it's time to make this into a chopping block. Now, I know it's a little bit windy today, so might be a lot of wind noise, but you just have to, follow along. The cool thing about a cordless electric chainsaw is, listen, it's nice and quiet. So when you're in the city, this is actually going to be probably a lot nicer for your neighbors because they don't have to listen to you going, "Shut loud chainsaw." So here we go. Got the battery in. My chain is all set. I'm ready to go. It's kind of chilly, so I'm going to put the earmuffs on. Right about there. Good size. So this is gonna be the chopping block. See, there's a nice chopping block right there. So that's gonna be the chopping block. This out of the way. Give me level enough. Well, yeah. All right. So now I'm actually going to make 2 chopping blocks. Squirrely here. And nice and stable. Okay. Wasp. Got another one. Okay, we got wasps. Where'd they go? Okay. Wasps like to smell that sugar maple. pinch it a little bit, but more even of a chopping block. This one. This one I'll give to my dad, because you always want to give the best one to your parents, you know? This one well, let's test it out, okay? Test it out. Right here. Now this is oil I like to use for chopping blocks. It's a cutting board oil. Food grade mineral oil rejuvenates the wood and prevents drying and cracking. The directions say use a clean cloth and apply in the direction of wood grain. Let it soak for at least 20 minutes. I don't think I got 20 minutes to wait, so it says 3 to 4 coats. But I'm getting hungry for some vitamin C in my diet, so I'm just gonna go ahead and slather some of this on here. Slather it on. Really soaks it in there. You know, I could sand this with my Surf Prep sander from California. Now, this is a favorite tool, is the cleaver. Favorite treat is sauteed shrimp paste. It's called bagong in the Philippines. Basically, it's really smelly, tastes great, and when you have it with lemons, it makes the lemons taste even better. So my hands are a little bit oily, but let me just grab some paper towels real quick here. See, my mouth is already watering from the bagong. I want to slip on the chopping knife. So, all right, let's do it for effect. Let's chop it. Okay, not a very good chop. Let's do another. There we go. All right. Now, this is right here. This is lemons. Yeah. I sort of want to peel it away here. It's kind of sloppy, but that's part of the whole thing. Get your mouth watering. Take some of this stuff right here. And you slather down right there. Okay. And then, well, I could do the poker face so I don't, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna enjoy this. Oh man. This is so good. Yeah. I really don't want to double dip, but this last bit right here makes the lemons just taste so good. Wow. Yeah. Now, it is a messy treat, but well worth it. So, we got a nice chopping block now. For lemons and bagong. So, start your day off, do a little exercise, have fun, make sure to get some vitamin C, because it's good for you. Alright, thanks for watching the video and have a great day, everyone.